Hey everybody, welcome back to Go and Grow Homestead. Before I forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel, share the videos. That's what helps us grow. Today, we are doing a whole lot of yard work. Took a couple of days off of work, super excited. The weather is beautiful today, sunny, 70 something with a light breeze. It's perfect for being outside and doing the things that I need to do today. The next few days are going to be chilly again, all rest of the week in the 50s and 60s, I guess. So degrees Fahrenheit. I always forget to say that. But let's see what I've done already today. I have done 2 rounds of laundry. I've done a load of dishes. I have to do them by hand because I don't have a dishwasher. I have cleaned and refilled all of the waters and foods for all 3 sets of birds. So the turkeys, chickens, laying hens, and meat birds. And have picked up a few things around the yard. I have a whole lot more of that to do. I've started to clean up part of the basement area that really needed some attention. And then I've cleaned up part of the pole barn area as well. We've been doing a lot of projects in there. Dave's building the brooder. I'll give you another updated peek at that. But another thing that we're going to do is split a few more logs. The logs are sitting on the yard. I need to mow, hopefully at some point today. But again, I have a lot of yard pickup to do before I can mow. So let's get started. Oh, and I forgot to mention it's already about noon, so I have, I don't know, an hour and a half to do as much as I can right now. Or I have to leave again and go pick up my son at school. Texas.